Okay, so here we're gonna go over this. This is a review for the, I guess it's Friday, guys. After the science benchmarks, so let's look at this one. Let's do it real quick. It's gonna be real quick. What's the volume? Around to the hundredth. So we're gonna have to use that formula right here. Usually we have to go to the reference material, but it's given to us there. So we're gonna go 4 thirds. Pi is pi, and we're gonna use 3.14 for that times radius 4 cubed. The radius is from the center to the circle itself, okay? So we're going to do that. 4 thirds, 4 cubed. So we're going to get a calculator. You can go ahead and type in NSOL. I'm just going to go with control division. Oops. Somehow I did it. Control division. 4 over 3 times 3.14 times 4 raised to the third. Enter. And it's saying round to the hundredths, so it's going to be 2. So if you need to use a calculator, this is the best way to do it. Just go menu, 281, and then we're going to press up to that number, enter. And then the hundredths is the second spot, so we're going to go comma 2. So 2.267.95, 267.95. So 267. Oh, great. I think it's 95. And that's your hundredths. Okay? 95, yes. Let's go to the next question. Sorry, trying to rush in. I might mess up just going rushing too fast. Let me see this over here. Put these in the what? In order from least to greatest. Remember, least to greatest is going to be ascending. Since I'm going to be back and forth, I'm going to go ahead and do a picture and then go off my camera, okay? So just give me a couple of seconds. Just took the picture. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to open that list in spreadsheets. And I'm going to put all the numbers in there as far as doing the equals, control division. The first number is 67 over 10. Leave it there, enter, and then equals to, and we can just put pi, 2 pi equals 3 square root of 5. And the next one's a really important one. We're going to have a 6. Okay, 6 plus 3 over 4. 3 over 4 equals 6.25. And when it comes to that, we're going to just go all the way up and go to menu, 1, 6, and it was least to greatest. Okay, ascending. So there it is. The least one is that one, and that one, and then that one, and then that one. I don't know why. That one's the pi. I know that for sure. So we're going to 6.25. Okay, so that's actually 6.25. That's going to go first. 6.25. And then this is going to be 2 pi. And then this one over here is 67 tenths. So it's actually 67 tenths. And then this one here is, holy moly, I think that's going to be 3 times the square root of 5 times, oh, and then last one will be 6 and 3/4. Okay, that's it. Moving on to the next one. So going back over here, and we're 6.25 went first. Oh, I didn't even put a negative, but that one was the last one was this one. Oh, great. There's negatives there, guys. So I need to go back and fix all of this. So this is 6.28. So that would go there. That would go there. Okay, well, the more of the story is put the decimals where they go, negatives where they go. I messed up here, but just by memory here. And then it was going to be this one, and then this one. Okay, so that one's 6.28, and then this one is 6.25. This one reaches further to the left, so that's that one right there. Sorry about that mess up. Horrible mess up. Okay, this over here is just, tell me if it's a function or not. So the vertical, now vertical line test here, but if it goes to 1, it goes to 1, it goes to 1, it goes to 1. This one is a function. Okay, this one over here. See how that 3 goes to 2 of them? That is not a function. Okay, vertical line test. Draw a vertical line. It crosses once, 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 once. Here it crosses it twice. Not a function. Okay, so I'm bring that over here. That is a function. This one is not a function. Next question. Okay, this one right here. It's going to be this data, right? Scatter plot. It's going to be, you know, acting like a line that goes like this. Okay, come on. You're supposed to work with me over here. Like a line going like this. Roughly like that. And it looks like no associates. No, it looks like it's associating or acting around this line. So that one's going to be out. It's a positive correlation. Yes, that's definitely true. It's a positive slope, positive line. So if you think about the Mr. Slope, positive, undefined, negative, 0. These are all slopes, so it's a positive one like that. So it's a positive correlation, definitely. Yes, definitely not that one. And non-linear, no. A non-linear one is like maybe a curve or something like that. Okay. Okay, next question over here. Which one does not represent a function? So this all you want to do is draw vertical lines, right? And it goes through it once, 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 once. That is a function, and looking for one that's not. So that's not an answer. Function, 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 function. You want that it's not a function? Come over here. Let me see these two. Once, once, once. Each time I draw a vertical line, it crosses it once, okay? Functions, not the answer. Right here, dead giveaway. When it crosses it twice, right there, that is not a function. So that's my answer. Next question. Okay, this is, once you see a graph like this, guys, please, and I see the prediction, you see this 28, yes, you definitely want to come out here and get numbers based off of this line, a line that you draw through the points, something like that, okay? And I want to go at 28 inches, so 28 inches is about here. Oh, so what I'm going to do is move this graph, fix this graph, at 28 inches, remember that. I'm going to draw a line going through these points. It doesn't necessarily have to go through all of them, but through most of them. Like that. 3 on top. 1, 2, 4 on top. So maybe I should move the bottom one a little bit. That looks good. 1, 2, 3 on top. 1, 2, 3, and going to, yeah, 3 on the bottom, 3 on top, going to that one. I like that. So we're going to come out here and we're going to go to 28. 28. We go up here and then go across here. About 110 is your answer. Roughly 110. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go definitely not these. Too low. Too low. Okay. Essence too high. Okay, so for this one, we're going to think about this one here. Constant rate of change. Constant rate of change is your slope, guys. So it's basically asking, what's my slope again? What's your slope? Let's find that one. Once you have this right here, it's listed in spreadsheets, manual 413, okay? So we're going to work on that. Hold on. So 0, 0, and 1, 4. I've got a calculator here. I want you to start a new document. This is spreadsheet. 0, 0, and I believe 1, 4. Come back to this corner here. Go to menu. 4, 1, 3. Make sure this is your B. And then control this left hand side. Enter, enter. And that gives me my slope is 4. Okay, and it's proportional because it goes to the origin. Just extra bit of information, which does happen that you need to use or know one time, or time to time, or once in a while. So this slope is 4. Remember, the b is also 0. The equation would be y is equal to 4x plus 0. But since it's proportional and it doesn't have to write the 0, which you can write it as y is equal to 4x. Again, the answer was just 4. Just giving you a heads up on that one. Next question over here. Again, same thing. And it says find the slope. Ooh, look at the answer choices. Look. We have 2 negative and 2 positive. Now, if you notice these, if they're negative, then these are out. If they're positive, then these are out. And look, this one's great. I guess this is greater than 1, and this is less than 1. So that's going to be how easy you would do this one. I'm going to go with negative 7, negative 2, 9, 1. Negative 2, negative 7, 9, 1. I'm going to type over negative. Oh, great. Negative 2, negative 7. Negative 7, and 9, and 1. As I'm doing it, it's automatically changing over here. Look, so what I'm noticing here with this slope, it's already positive, and it's greater than 1. Let me just double check these numbers if they're correct. 7, negative 2, negative 7, negative 2. Negative 7, negative 2. Ooh, I got it wrong. Negative 7, negative, wait, if you ever see this, that just means undefined, guys. Negative 2, there. So I messed up completely, but let me check that 9 and 1. 9 and 1. So let's come back over here. My bad. And again, this is going to be negative, and it's bigger than 1. Bigger than a negative 1. Or how about that? It's past the idea of a negative 1, so no. So I'm going to come back over here, and look at my answer choices. And what I'm going to see, the positive ones are out. And then this was like negative point something, right? Out. This one right here is the one I want. So listen, guys, which sequence of yada yada yada? Oh, I see, not congruent. What does not congruent mean? Dilation. So yada yada yada. Just look for the word dilation. So remember, not congruent means dilation. Hand in hand, B is the answer.